Hey, let me show you all sound settings that you can find on the Xiaomi TV A Series, and they are actually hidden in the 3 different places, so it's not that obvious if you are looking for something. First of all, just open the quick settings and click on the all settings in the right upper corner. Next, we have to go for display and the sound. It's actually quite obvious, and here we can find all the sound settings, like for example the DTS, so bass enhancement, surround virtualizer, and dialogue clarity. When you go back, we can also find the sound mode, so 4 default modes, but also there is the sound equalizer. We can find volume leveler and DAC for dialogue enhancer. Now, when you go back from this one, we can also change the audio output device. And this is not everything, because some of those options are actually hidden when you open the inputs settings. So take a look. For example, over here, when I'm gonna open the HDMI option and scroll down, oh no, it wasn't actually here. Instead of going to the inputs, we have to actually go for channels. So here, when you go, as you can see, we can find the audio settings. Like for example, the audio type for channels. So here we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. For example, the spoken subtitles that you can turn on if you want, and you can change primary and secondary audio language. So that's everything. Thanks for watching.